Hello guys! So for today, magkakaroon tayo ng food tasting sa recommended caterer ng aming venue for our year-end party. Bale, 10 kaming titikim and we will rate it. So let's start. First is the pork caldereta and ang creamy nung sauce nito and tender yung kanyang meat. Next is the pork barbecue. Masarap yung pork barbecue pero ang worry lang namin is yung serving kasi baka mabitin sa 2 sticks per person. Next is the beef lengua. Ang sarap ng lasa nito, sobrang creamy nung sabaw tapos ang soft talaga nung beef. For vegetables, chop suey yung sample nila. So okay naman to, no? Kaya lang maraming ayaw, maraming natirang sayote and the carrots and the beans. So it's no for us. Next is itong pork kare-kare. Grabe, 10/10 to sa amin. Sobrang crispy nung kare-kare. Tapos yung sauce niya, nasa sweet side yung lasa niya. Pati yung alamang niya, medyo matamis. So it's a yes for us. Next is the chicken cordon bleu. So masarap yung lasa ng chicken cordon bleu nila. So it's a yes for us. For fish fillet naman, well, yung usual fish fillet, malambot, masarap. Masarap din yung mga dips nila. Pero mas masarap yung isang choice nila ng fish, so hindi ito yung pinili namin. Next is another fish dish. This is the fish Florentine. So this is fish fillet with sauce, with creamy sauce and may veg gulay. Hindi ako sure kung anong gulay. So masarap yung cream nito and nagko-complement talaga sa isda. So ito talaga yung pinili namin. So it's a yes for us. Next dish is the roast chicken. And, well, mas masarap yung chicken cordon bleu. Next is buttered vegetables. So, hindi ito yung pinili namin kasi masyado ng usual. For the pasta, merong Alfredo pasta. And parang siyang carbonara, pero hindi siya carbonara. And ang sarap nito. So, ito yung pinili namin. So, yung isa pang choice for pasta is the Bake Mac. Masarap din naman to, kaya lang mas masarap yung Alfredo pasta. So, yun. So, isa lang kasi yung pwede. So, yung Alfredo pasta, yung nanalo for us. Another beef choice is the braised beef in red wine. And ito, 10/10. No? Sobrang sarap nito. And ang lambot, kakaiba yung lasa. Ang juicy, ang tender nung meat mismo. Ang sarap nung sauce talaga. So, it's a yes for us. So, last is the dessert. So, nagbigay sila ng buko pandan sample. Masarap naman yung buko pandan nila. Kaya lang masyado ng usual. So, meron silang choice na mango, sago, mango gulaman, like that. So, yun yung pipiliin namin. So, that's it. So, yun yung mga food choices namin. So, kayo, kamusta? Meron na ba kayong napiling food for your company party this December? Comment down below.